All right, folks, so let's take a look at the email today. What we got for making money online. If I told you to watch a video, you could be paid 500 easily. Would you do it? Okay, whatever. We go to this site, which is called easycash.club, which I guess is the company here. You play the video, blah, blah, blah. Now, they promise all this nonsense. But if you go over here and try to see this one here, and I'm going to go read all about it, and I'm going to point some things out with these folks. So we got this guy here. This is some testimonials. He made 3,104 weeks, and that's the guy apparently. But if you look over here, he's a stock photo from a stock photo site, so that's obviously fake. The next one, this lady here. Let's take a look for where I got her. I got her. So that's a different girl. Here we are. Stock photo, shutterstock.com. And then we have this. There's some more. Don't worry. More fake testimonials. This girl right here. Oh, she made $8,000 in 14 days. Wow. She's on this stock photo site. She's on this stock photo site. So these are fake testimonials, obviously. So that is obviously very shady and very dishonest. So I don't trust these folks one bit. The website looks very professionally done. You know, they put a lot of time into that. So there's a PayPal video here too. Now the video is pretty funny. I'm not going to play it, but basically it's just someone logging into their PayPal account, and then the balance is like whatever it's here. It's only like a 20-second video. I think it's hilarious because watch this. So this is PayPal's website. I could edit this right here. Actually, I took the two out. It should say there's two types of accounts, but let's just add in our own number. We'll put, and wow, look at that. I just changed that. I changed that number right there. I could change any part of this site within a source code and then take a screenshot of it. It doesn't save it permanently, obviously. It's just my web browser. But so are you really going to trust that? Okay, so what exactly is this product? Basically, it's a software that generates text to speech and makes videos for you to upload onto YouTube, and then you get YouTube views and make money from YouTube, and then put affiliate links in your YouTube descriptions as well, make money that way. A lot harder than this guy makes it sound, and plus you need like 2,000 subscribers on YouTube anyways to be eligible to make money on YouTube. There's like some of the rules too. I forget, like 2,000 subscribers plus X amount of videos watched. And this guy's like showing you a video where he uploaded it, and then the next day he did 1,000 views and made $50 from YouTube. It doesn't work that way. 1,000 views does not equal $50 on YouTube. Anyways, enough of this nonsense. Making real money online takes time, folks. It takes knowing what to do, learning how to do it, and doing it. It's not quick and easy. So actually, if you go to my blog post here, go to the link in the video below, the description of the video below, and I'm going to take you to a blog post showing you about WOA here. It's 100% risk-free. You don't need a credit card or anything to sign up. So you can just sign up and get a free account. It's real people. People are helping out. There's so much stuff going on here. It's world-class training on making money with websites and stuff. You get 2 free websites as well. Real testimonials. These are actual people, users. If you click on the link here, actually, I put it in the blog post. This is online entrepreneur certification, getting started level 1. This is 100% free, by the way. This level 1 here, 100% free. There's 10 lessons. And it's really in depth, setting everything up for you, setting up your website, blah blah blah. And real testimonials. These are actual members. They left the testimonials here. You can actually go to their profiles. So a lot of stuff going on here. And again, you can start for free today, no credit card down. Nothing. Just create an account real quick. You use my links. I'm going to contact you pretty quickly after you sign up, and we'll be in contact. You can send me messages. There's a whole email system in here and all kind of stuff like that. You get your own profile and such. So anyways, check it out. If you really want to make money online, instead of all this nonsense with these fake testimonials and trying all this crap that claims it's so easy to make $500 million, I'm exaggerating obviously, and doing nothing. I mean, that's just so bogus, folks. Anyways, check it out. That's all for now, and I will talk to you soon.